Oh, hey there. Welcome back to another episode of Off the Pie Charts. I'm your host, Tyler. Now, I'm a huge Lord of the Rings fan, so today we're going to make some Lembas bread, also known as elven bread or whey bread. It was a superfood made by the elves, meant for long journeys, and would stay fresh for months when wrapped in leaves. It's a super easy recipe. I'm going to link everything in the description box below. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're just going to need some sugar, flour, butter, a cake pop stick for decoration, and a large mixing bowl. First things first, you want to bring 2 sticks of butter to room temperature. Let's put that in our mixing bowl. Now you're going to add your sugar. You guys remember the old animated movies? Those are my favorite. The greatest adventure is what lies ahead. Okay, I'm done. All right, let's add our flour. And now you just want to mix it. Time to get your hands dirty. Almost like any pastry or like a shortbread. I'm gonna try something here. My recipe didn't call for it, but I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. Now you're probably gonna wanna find the bees that are in Mirkwood. These give the best honey. Watch out for those elves though. All right, let's get back to mixing. This is gonna be sticky. Who's your favorite character from the Lord of the Rings series? Let me know in the comment section below. I still think that Sam was the hero. All right, this is the consistency that we're looking for. All right, now you just wanna grab some of this dough and really use your muscles to pack it in. You do this 4 hours a day for 6 months, and you'll look like this. You can also try a roller. When you get them to about 1/4 of an inch, just put them on an ungreased cookie sheet. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it with a knife here of the size that I want. Now you're going to take a cake pop stick or a back of a knife, and we're going to make that elvish X. If you're worried about the bread breaking when you push down on the stick, you can just make an indent first and then come in and drag the stick across. These are ready to go in the oven at 325 degrees for 20 minutes. With the elven bread in the oven, let's make the leaves. Now you can go to a craft store and buy some pretty good fake leaves if you want, but I'm using what I have around the house, which is some green construction paper. What I did is I just cut a basic leaf shape out, and then you want to fold that in half. Fold it in half again. Then you just want to take a green marker and just follow the line that you folded. Doesn't have to be perfect. You start drawing the leaf veins. And you want to get the outside too. I found this spool of twine laying around. It could be a little bit darker, but it's fine. You just want to cut off a nice good length to tie around the leaf. All right, the elven bread came out of the oven. Let it cool completely before this next step. Let me show you how we're gonna wrap them. So you take your leaf here and you put 2 of the bread on there. One side and then a top. And the other side and then the top. And you just take some of your twine and you tie it up. That's pretty cool. Well, the Lembas bread is done. Whether you're fighting the Uruk-hai or trying to win Lady Galadriel's heart, you're gonna want some of these in your pocket for the long journey. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you're new, please subscribe. I make new videos weekly and you won't wanna miss it. This was a lot of fun, and I hope to visit more Lord of the Rings recipes along the way. Until next time, this is Off the Pie Charts.